Hi guys, my name is Paolo. I make body work in German, in French, and now I'm in Canada. I can fix all your trouble with car, with body, and restore your car after accident. But now we speak about headlights. If you have problem with headlights and your light not best, I can help you. I take this headlight to show you what I can do. This all stuff I use to fix your car. But today we should be use only sander and paint cabin to make new clear coat. After I install in Headlight LED projector and put it on new clear coat. After that, the headlights looks like brand new. Look at this, guys. It looks very good. It's old. It's like brand new and with lint. Let's go do test. Now you see LED lint with halogen lamp. Look at this, I remove LED lint. It's almost nothing. And now I remove halogen. You don't see difference. And now we look test with LED bulb from Amazon. It's with LED lint, it's without LED lint. Yeah, it's better than halogen, but it's still not best. Look at this. It's best what you can get in your headlight. Drive safely, fitting the LED lint in your headlight.
Now take a half, now take the rest.